Hi, in this video I will show how to use Xls To Text conversion app. So this is my website. I will leave link on this site in the description. To find the app, I will click on Xls to Xls. Xls is like old Excel format, and I want to convert the Xls file to every spreadsheet from Xls file to text file. So I click on the load, and then double click on the loaded archive, and then click on MSI inside archive. Single click, yep. Double click on MSI inside archive. I click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start the installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. Now I can close this and minimize the screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer and I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I will show you what files I have. So I have my data file, for example. This is Xls file, and it contains 3 spreadsheets: my contact, bank info, and my bank data CSV, just test information. And I want to save entire Xls file into text. So I will double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. I can click on select input file and then specify my data file and click on next step. There is no options yet. If you think of any options that can tweak conversion process and change conversion process, let me know. I will add them to this option screens. Right now I will just click on next step to move to step 3, and step 3 I'll just click on run to start conversion. Here app will ask me where should I put text files, because I have Excel with 3 different spreadsheets, so every spreadsheet will be saved as separate text file. And then I can go and open it or do whatever I want with the text files. So here I have to specify a folder where all files will be saved. Let's save it into result folder. It's just empty folder. I'll click OK. You can see 3 files created. Let's go and see these files. So it's my document and folder named result. Result, this one. Yep. Double click on it and I see 3 files. I can open it. It's Notepad. And it has all information from Excel files in table format. Yep. It's like this is my bank info and this is my contacts. I can open it. Yep. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.